Hello everybody. Today we will help you how to install Office when you have already the subscription. Okay, how you can see your subscription and download the Office. Okay, just open the office.com website, and then here you just press sign in. You put your email and password. Okay, this will open, the screen will open. Now you have to go in your account. Okay, where is the subscription? Here you can see on top where is your account, and then here is my Microsoft account. You have to go there. When you go there, just press services and subscriptions. Okay, in services subscriptions you just scroll down and see if there is any subscription. Okay, so if you have the subscription, there will be a sign, the arrow downward, that shows you will download, and from there you can download and install and follow the instructions. That's it. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.